Hello, my name is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you an easy Nigerian recipe called palm oil rice, or you call it native rice. So in this recipe I'll be using palm oil, locust beans, scent leaf, pepper blend, onion, cooked rice, dry fish, meat and boiled egg. First I had to pour some hot water on my dry fish, locust beans and dried scent leaf. To get started, I'm going to pour some palm oil in my pot, and note you don't have to bleach the palm oil. So I'm going to be adding in the onions, locust beans and fry. And once this is ready, I'm going to go ahead to add in the rest of the ingredients one after the other, excluding the rice and the scent leaves. So for my pepper blend, I blended onion, bell pepper and some hot habanero pepper. In place of dry fish, you can also use some smoked fish. To achieve that native taste, ensure you use some crayfish. Here I'm using grounded crayfish. You can also use the dried crayfish. Once all the ingredients is added, adjust the taste with some seasoning cube and salt. This recipe is one to go for when you need a break from boiled rice, jollof rice, fried rice and the likes. In this recipe you can use uncooked rice, parboiled rice or simply cooked rice. The choice is up to you. The scent leaf is usually the last ingredient you add. So in case you are using uncooked rice, you allow your rice to cook and add the scent leaf when the rice is almost done. So once everything is added, now you cover and let it cook for some minutes. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux. On this channel I upload yummy recipes, healthy drink recipes, career talk, travel vlog and some other lifestyle vlog. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. And that will be all for today. See you some other time.